This video will explain how to do a factory reset of the DEVIreg Display Connect. The DEVIreg Display Connect can be factory reset similar to the DEVIreg Basic and the DEVIreg Room. It's essentially the same procedure. It's very nice having a wall that you can turn, but down here, not this hole, but a very small pinhole is located here where a clip can be inserted and held against the reset button for 20 to 25 seconds until all of the indicators and display blinks on the device and released while that's held. Released while the display blinks. So, to access it, we'll use a flathead screwdriver to dislocate the front, and then the button down here can be accessed by manual pressing with a finger, or again, through the very small pinhole in the bottom with a pin. By holding the button down, the display will act as usual and blink forth and back from different things. So until the 20 to 25 seconds has passed, essentially nothing will happen, but once all of the icons start to blink, we can then release the button and then the factory reset will be performed. Then the thermostat will restart. Please allow the thermostat a couple of seconds to restart. Once we then release it, it goes back into different modes through different steps in order to factory reset itself. And then we can turn the thermostat and we are now completely reset into factory defaults.